How much should you trust auto support? AutoNest files are convenient. For models, splints, and diagnosed wax-ups, they're usually safe. But for crowns and surgical guides, margin accuracy and offset precision matter. A mismatch can lead to warping, distortion, and failed prints. PrintNest supports may also stress the wrong areas or miss thin features. Custom supports give you control over orientation, stress points, and anatomy preservation, but they can be time-consuming. And here's the catch. A bad print might not show until finishing, or worse, in the patient's mouth. By then, you're dealing with remakes, lost time, and patient frustration. Thankfully, there are more validated resin material profiles and support setting library available now. But knowing when to trust them and when to go custom is key. For mission-critical prints, take the time to custom nest, or if you're in a rush, get the convenience of auto nesting with the reliability of custom setups through every smart nest. Pre-supported prints save time, custom prints protect detail. Choose what your case truly needs. Which cases do you trust with pre-support? Share your thoughts and follow us for more digital dentistry tips.